Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download HP OfficeJet 250. So open any browsers to search as it is same and first link to right click to new tab and change operating system. So if you have other operating system, so you can select and download. So I have a Windows 11, but guys Windows 11 is it not show. So you can download Windows 10 64-bit. This is support in Windows 11. Okay, so this is required to internet connections, so do not download this one. Basic, and try all in one. This that is download automatically to start downloading, and single click to launch. Then guys run. Then guys restart your system and then check